Hello friends, welcome to my new video. So in today's lesson, I will teach you on how we configure Redis. In this lesson, I will teach you on how we configure the RAID 1 for our file server. In fact, there are a lot of type of RAID like RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 6E or RAID 1 plus 0. The purpose of RAID, I think most of you know. The RAID is to, like, we can say in short word, like when one hard disk have a problem, another hard disk take over. It's like we combine more than two hard disks together. So in those two hard disks, when one fail, another one take over. RAID it's come from redundant array of independent disks. So I do hope you understand about this one. And as you see here, in this lesson, I will show you on how you configure RAID 1 for those who have limit budget for your organization. You see here, this one, let's say I have hard disk 1 and hard disk 2 like this. So this one, it will be mirror for RAID 1. Like this one, I have document 1, document 2, so it will be mirror or replicates to another disk. Let's say if this one is error, we still have this side, and if this side have error, we still have this one. So we keep our file server or our hard disk uh, go live with net fault. You see here, RAID 1 is the replication of data across two or multiple or more disks. This means if we configure RAID 1, at least you have two more disks or two more hard drive. To do RAID, you will improve the security of store data, okay? Security for high availability and mirror. So that means, as I said, when one hard disk fail, another hard disk take over. Let's say in this scenario, like I have my disk for OS system, and also have this one and this two and this one and this two. I store file server. Let's say this one has one TB and this one has also have 1 TB. So when this one is fail, this two will take over, or this two will fail, uh, this one we still have. So our data won't be lost. Okay, to be more understand, I can show you one website that you can configure or test your rate. For example, I have uh, three, okay, three hard disk and one hard disk like 10 terabyte. And this one I configure, you see here, it have RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 1E, RAID 5, okay, 50 or 5E. So in this lesson, and this one, it has different function. In this lesson, I will teach you on RAID 1. The common use is RAID 1 and RAID 5. Okay, I calculate and then you can click and calculate. Okay, so you see, if we have three disks and each disk has 10 TB or terabyte, so the capacity that it's used is 10 terabyte, while the other two drive for file Fortran. That means that even though you have three hard disks, if we combine together 30, right? But in the purpose of RAID, your capacity only 10 TB, and the other two disks will be for like mirror. For example, the first hard disk is failed, so it will be go to hard disk 2 or hard disk 3, so something like that. If we have two hard disks, for example, you see two hard disks, okay, two hard disks, so we have 10 TB, and another hard disk with 10 TB will be for file Fortran. Okay, now let's go together in our server. Okay, let's say here is my server. Okay, my server. So if I go to see the computer management of my file server, how many hard disks that I have now, we go to see together. Before you configure this one, I think for the first startup should be have like hard disk 3 or 2. Okay, you see this one I have only disk 0 for my operating system. Okay, now I'm going to add two more disks to configure file server or to configure RAID for this. So now I go to this one. I use Hyper-V, so I go to setting to add two hard disk. Okay, I go to add two hard disk more. I go to this one and add hard disk. Okay, I add, and then I create new. Okay, next, next. Okay, I use fix. Like if you configure RAID, you have to have the same size of this. Like for example, I put this one. Okay, next I put like only 5 GB only for testing. Okay, but most of your organization should have like 1 TB of of hard disk. Okay, now let it wait. Okay, because this name I already have. Okay, I create again because recently I also do another testing. So I will put this 001. Okay, next, and I put 5 GB. Click next. Finish. So now it's creating. This one is like you add more hard disk to your file server or to your Windows server. So as testing, I use hypervisor or Hyper-V. For testing for you, I will add two more disks. Okay, let's wait. Okay, apply. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. I need to add more disk. Okay, I go here, click hard disk, hit hard drive, add new, next, next, fix assign, next. This one I put this 002. Okay, mean hard disk 2. I put 5 GB. Okay, for testing. Finish. So this one it will be create another hard disk for me. In real physical machine, it's like you buy two more hard disks to put into your server. This one is the same thing. But to demo, I need to create this hard disk for virtualizations. So just wait a bit. I won't post the video. I will show you whether we have any issue or not during our configurations. If we have any issue, we can configure together. Okay. If you want to explore more about the RAID, I think you can Google it because there are a lot of RAID that you can configure based on your requirement. As I said from the beginning of the video, mostly we configure RAID 1 and RAID 5 because this one we use less budget. Okay, let's go. Okay, so everyone just wait a bit because this one is based on the performance of my physical machines. Just make sure that when you configure RAID, your hard disk must be the same, especially RAID 1, even though RAID 5 also the same, and also another RAID. If you have hard disk like 5 terabyte, so another hard disk also have 5 terabyte. Okay, so make sure that the disk must be the same size. Okay, now 2 more hard disk has been added to my server. Now I will go to my server. Okay, yeah, here is my server machine. This server is my new server machine. Okay, Win 2019 fast server. Okay, now I go to computer management. Okay, you see, when you go to computer management, you see this zero mean our operating system, and you will have this one and this two, this one for our file server. So if you see this, even though in the real machine, you will face this the same when you add new hard disk. So just right click on it and choose the initialize this. Okay, and then it will choose you must initialize this before logical disk nature can access. And this one use the following partition type for like this. So I use guide partition table. Okay. So this one it will be online. After you initialize, it will be moved from online from offline to online. But this one is not yet ready, mean that it's not yet redundant or duplicate. So I will configure. You just right click on this one and you choose new matter volume. Okay, and then click next. And then this one, they ask us like select this you want to use and then click add. Yeah, so I have these two, I click add. And if you have three this, like these three, you can add. Okay, and then I click next. And then this one is like your D drive or E drive or F drive. Yeah, the label only. Next, and I can name it like data. Next, finish. Then click yes. So this one is will be format and mirror between this one and these two together. This one it just take a bit process because we mirror it, and we have to wait until it show healthy. This one after it's complete, it's so healthy. If it's not shown healthy, so our mirror is not completed. And this one is also take some time, so I will make this process go faster. Okay, as you can see, now our mirror is almost finished. It's almost 90% plus. So just wait a bit. The status it will be so healthy if it's success. If not, it will be shown another mistake. Okay, as you see, now it will show healthy. So that means our this one and this two is already mirror or replicate. Now I will go to my let's go discom dpc. Oh, you see, data E it have the size is 5G. In fact, we have two. It should be 10, right? But in the purpose of RAID ones, uh, the disk combined together, but it will be separate, like it will be spare one. Like if you have two hard disks, one is used and another one is for spare. In the purpose of this one is fail. Okay, I will create like test001 as my data, and also test002. Okay, now I go to remove, like for example this one is fail or is broken or destroyed, so I remove whether is error or not. If I remove mirror, that means that this one is fail. Okay, okay, I remove. You can remove this two or this one, no problem. So I remove this one. Okay, I remove it. If I remove this one, that means this one is destroyed. Now I go to see my data. You see, my data is still keep going, so it is fine. So in this purpose of mirror, even though your disk has problem, okay, you still can access your data of file server. For example, now I change my disk. Okay, I change my disk. I buy another hard disk with 5 GB and then input into my server. Okay, so I add it. Okay, when you add it, you go to our like this, and then you choose add mirror. Okay, you add this one, or if you have another disk, you can add. Yes. So now we buy another hard disk and add it, because our disk has been destroyed. So now it will be resin. You see this mistake mean that when you add new hard disk, it will be resin from this two to this one. So our data will be like say duplicated or mirror. Okay, it's mirror into this one. Okay. If we're talking about rate, I just say a bit. We have like mirror, mean that we duplicate our data. Yeah, we copy one data to one data in one disk to another disk, and we also have stripe. Okay, like stripe mean we combine this together. Okay, and we also have parity. Okay, parity refer to like if you have this one or this two, and if this one fail, it check whether this one is fail or not, and then it will, if it fail, it check, and then it will be copy the data to another hard disk. Okay, so this one is like another term, okay, in rate, if we're talking about rate. Okay, so this one, it will be take process to resin everyone. Okay, it will be resin. Now I keep it, I keep it going on, and I go faster on this one to make our video a bit shorter. Yes, now it's almost 90%. And this one, okay, you see, after we replace another hard disk, so our hard disk will be healthy, so it's mirror. Okay, so your data, you can still do more. You see, I put another test004. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today's lessons, everyone. I hope that you find this video useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.